Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to fix and do the featured collection widget or section on your Shopify store, as well as how to fix it when it's not appearing. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple, and there are two places that we're going to use, that being the collections tab under products, as well as the site builder for your Shopify theme. So the idea is we first want to make sure that we're logged into our Shopify account as an administrator. And as you can see, here's what the dashboard looks like. And because I'm using a dummy account to do this, I'll be running on the free trial version of Shopify, but the steps should remain the same, so you guys should be good to go. So the idea first is we want to create a collection of all of our products that we want to add to a featured collection that we want to showcase on our website. So to do that, we're going to click on products like so, and then we're going to click on the collections tab right here. So it's under the products tab. So it's products, collection, inventory, so on and so forth. So we're going to go to collections and we're going to create a new collection. So we can name it whatever. So let's just do our top NFTs, for example, and give it a description. Let's do, because this is actually the one that I want to add. And we can choose a collection type between automated or manual, and it reads if you do manual, then you can add products to this collection one by one. If you do automated, then you can do them by pairs or by groups, and it's totally up to you guys if you want to do that. So if they fit a certain tag or criteria, then they would be added to the featured collection, but I'm just going to do manual for this. So there we go. So from here, I'm going to click on add an image, and you guys will select a picture from your computer, or it can even be your assets library in Shopify. So either way, it doesn't really matter. So I don't think you guys can see it right now, but it actually brought up my Windows Explorer. So I'm going to be looking for an image to upload here. Let's just do a random one. So let's do this guy right here. We're gonna hit save and wait for it to load, and there we go. We now have our collection. Now we're going to head over to the site builder, and you can do that by clicking on online store under sales channel, clicking on themes, and click on customize. And from here, we're going to add a new widget or a new section rather, and we're going to select featured collection. Now we're going to do this, and if we want to rearrange this and have it featured at the very top, we can do this one right here, and we can edit the text right here for our featured collection. And if you want to choose our specific one or the one that we just made, then we would click on this one right here, collection. Under collection, we're going to select collection and choose one from our Shopify store. So let's do this one right here, select, wait for it to load. And here we are. I don't actually have products registered under there, but yeah, that's how you guys do it. So yeah, hopefully this video helped you guys out. And if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And yeah, thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.